Hello everyone, welcome back to Relationship Facts. In this video, you'll learn an amazing skill to build trust in your relationships. Watch till the end to find out. Rebuilding trust in a broken relationship is a journey that requires patience, commitment, understanding, and a deep sense of empathy. Trust is the foundation upon which the stability of any relationship is built, and once it is shattered, the path to restoration can seem daunting. However, with the right approach and mindset, repairing a broken relationship is possible. These feelings are normal and valid, and acknowledging them is crucial for both parties involved. Acknowledging responsibility and seeking forgiveness. This means acknowledging the hurt caused, expressing genuine remorse, and seeking forgiveness. The offended party, on the other hand, faces the challenging task of offering forgiveness. The role of consistent actions over time. In conclusion, repairing a broken relationship and rebuilding trust is a challenging yet rewarding journey. Patience, self-care, and a willingness to see the potential for a new beginning are also crucial components of the healing process. With these approaches, it is possible to repair a broken relationship and emerge stronger on the other side. Each gesture, no matter how minor, serves as a testament to one's commitment to the relationship and the mutual goal of restoration. Through such actions, trust is gradually rekindled, fostering a renewed sense of security and connection. In essence, the path to rebuilding trust in a broken relationship is marked by a series of intentional, heartfelt efforts that, over time, weave a new tapestry of understanding and respect. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of love and forgiveness. Through patience, empathy, and unwavering dedication, the scars of betrayal can heal, paving the way for a relationship that is stronger, deeper, and more enduring than ever before. Rebuilding trust in a relationship that has been marred by betrayal or misunderstanding is akin to healing a deep wound. It requires careful attention, patience, and a commitment to growth and healing that both parties must share. This process is intricate, involving a series of steps that, when taken together, can lead to the restoration of trust and the forging of a stronger bond. In this extended exploration, we delve deeper into the nuances of this journey, emphasizing the importance of empathy, the power of commitment, and the necessity of ongoing communication and understanding. The complexity of trust. Trust is not a monolithic entity but a complex interweaving of emotional security, confidence in each other's intentions, and the belief in the reliability and competence of one another. Understanding this complexity is crucial in the process of rebuilding trust, as it requires addressing each aspect to fully restore the relationship's foundation. Empathy and understanding. Empathy plays a pivotal role in healing a relationship. It involves both parties striving to truly understand the other's feelings and perspectives, without judgment. This deep level of understanding helps in acknowledging the pain caused and lays the groundwork for forgiveness. Demonstrating empathy can significantly bridge the emotional distance that mistrust has created, making it a vital step in the journey towards reconciliation. The commitment to change. A promise to change is only as strong as the actions that follow it. The commitment to change must be ongoing, as trust is rebuilt over time through consistent and positive behavior. Transparent communication. Open and transparent communication is the lifeline of trust restoration. It involves sharing thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities in a way that is honest yet compassionate. This level of communication fosters a deeper connection and understanding, allowing both partners to express their needs and concerns. It also involves actively listening to each other, validating the other's feelings, and responding with empathy and respect. The power of patience. Patience is a virtue, especially in the context of rebuilding trust. The process is inherently slow and often fraught with setbacks. Recognizing that healing takes time and that progress may not always be linear is important. Patience also involves giving each other the space to grow and heal at their own pace, without pressure or unrealistic expectations. Building new memories. One effective way to rebuild trust is by creating new, positive experiences and memories together. Engaging in activities that both partners enjoy can help to rekindle joy and connection in the relationship. These shared experiences can act as building blocks for a new foundation of trust, overshadowing past hurts with new, positive interactions. Accountability and forgiveness. Accountability is critical in the trust rebuilding process. The person who breached the trust must take full responsibility for their actions, without deflecting blame or minimizing the impact of their actions. This accountability is a powerful step towards forgiveness. Forgiveness, in turn, is not about forgetting or excusing the behavior but about freeing oneself from the burden of resentment. It is a gift to oneself that also benefits the relationship, paving the way for a fresh start. The role of boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries is essential in any healthy relationship, but it becomes even more critical in the aftermath of broken trust. Boundaries help define what is acceptable and what is not, ensuring that both partners feel respected and protected. Communicating and respecting these boundaries reinforces trust and demonstrates a commitment to the relationship's health. Continuous growth and healing. The journey of rebuilding trust is also an opportunity for personal and relational growth. It offers a chance to learn from past mistakes, to deepen understanding and empathy, and to strengthen communication skills. This process of continuous growth and healing can lead to a more mature, resilient relationship that is better equipped to navigate future challenges. Celebrating progress. Recognizing and celebrating progress, no matter how small, is crucial in maintaining motivation and hope. Acknowledging milestones in the journey of rebuilding trust can reinforce the commitment to the relationship and to each other. It serves as a reminder of how far both partners have come and the potential for future happiness together. Looking forward. Ultimately, rebuilding trust is about looking forward and not being defined by past mistakes. It involves a conscious decision to move forward, armed with the lessons learned and a renewed sense of commitment and love. While the scars of broken trust may never fully disappear, they can become less defining as the relationship evolves into something stronger and more profound. In conclusion, rebuilding trust in a broken relationship is a challenging yet deeply rewarding journey. It demands a multifaceted approach that addresses the emotional, communicative, and behavioral aspects of the relationship. Through empathy, commitment to change, transparent communication, patience, and a shared commitment to growth, couples can navigate the complex process of healing. By embracing these principles, partners can work towards a future where trust is restored, and the relationship is stronger and more resilient than ever before. This journey, while difficult, underscores the transformative power of love, forgiveness, and the human capacity for renewal. Rebuilding trust in a relationship is an intricate dance between vulnerability and strength, requiring both partners to engage in a process of deep introspection and mutual understanding. This extended journey of reconciliation demands more than just a willingness to forgive. It necessitates a concerted effort to understand the root causes of the breach, a commitment to healing, and a shared vision for the future of the relationship. The following exploration delves deeper into the nuanced process of trust restoration, highlighting the importance of self-reflection, the rebuilding of intimacy, the role of external support, and the ultimate goal of achieving a stronger, more resilient partnership. Self-reflection and personal growth. The path to rebuilding trust begins with self-reflection. Both partners must engage in a process of introspection to understand their own behaviors, fears, and vulnerabilities that contributed to the breakdown of trust. This self-awareness is crucial for personal growth and is the first step in demonstrating to one's partner a genuine commitment to change. For the partner who broke the trust, this means confronting their actions and understanding their motivations. For the aggrieved partner, it involves examining their responses and how they may have contributed to the dynamics of the relationship. Personal growth is an essential component of healing, as it fosters a deeper level of emotional intelligence and empathy within the relationship. Rebuilding intimacy. Trust is the cornerstone of intimacy. Thus, rebuilding trust is synonymous with restoring the emotional, physical, and spiritual connections that define a close relationship. This process involves more than just repairing the damage. It's about forging a deeper, more meaningful connection than existed before. Couples must work to re-establish their emotional bond by sharing their fears, hopes, and dreams. This renewed intimacy requires courage from both partners, as it means opening up and making oneself vulnerable again after being hurt. The role of external support. The journey of rebuilding trust can benefit greatly from external support, whether it be from therapists, counselors, support groups, or trusted friends and family. Professional help can provide couples with the tools and strategies needed to navigate the complexities of their emotions and the relationship dynamics. Therapists can facilitate communication, offer objective insights, and help identify patterns that may have contributed to the breach of trust. Support groups and trusted individuals can provide a sense of community and understanding, reminding couples that they are not alone in their struggles. Establishing new patterns of interaction. One of the keys to rebuilding trust is establishing new, healthy patterns of interaction that replace old, destructive ones. This involves setting new rules and boundaries for the relationship, developing effective communication skills, and implementing conflict resolution strategies that respect both partners' needs and feelings. By consciously choosing to interact differently, couples can break free from the cycles that led to the breakdown of trust, paving the way for a more respectful and supportive relationship. The healing power of time. time plays a crucial role in the healing process. Trust cannot be rushed. It grows gradually as each partner consistently demonstrates their commitment to the relationship and to each other. It's important for couples to understand that there will be good days and bad days, and that healing is not a linear process. Patience with oneself and with one's partner is essential, as is the willingness to forgive setbacks and continue moving forward. Mutual goals and shared dreams. Rebuilding trust is not just about repairing the past, it's also about building a future together. Couples need to establish mutual goals and shared dreams that guide their journey of reconciliation. This shared vision provides motivation and a sense of purpose, reminding both partners why they are committed to working through the difficulties. Whether it's planning for a family, a shared business venture, or personal growth objectives, having common goals can strengthen the bond and foster a sense of teamwork and unity. Learning from the past. An essential part of rebuilding trust is learning from the past. This means not only understanding what went wrong and why, but also taking those lessons to heart and allowing them to inform future behavior. It's about recognizing the warning signs of mistrust and taking proactive steps to address issues before they escalate. By learning from the past, couples can avoid repeating the same mistakes, building a stronger foundation for their relationship. Celebrating the journey. Despite the challenges, the journey of rebuilding trust can be a profoundly transformative experience for a relationship. It offers an opportunity for both partners to grow individually and as a couple, developing a deeper understanding, respect, and appreciation for each other. Celebrating the milestones along this journey, not just the end goal, can reinforce the positive changes and strengthen the bond between partners. A stronger, more resilient relationship. Ultimately, the goal of rebuilding trust is to emerge with a relationship that is stronger and more resilient than before. This new relationship is characterized by a deeper level of understanding, empathy, and commitment. It's a partnership where both individuals feel valued, respected, and secure, knowing that they have weathered a storm together and come out stronger on the other side. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.